Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Realme 13 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find System and Update. Then let's choose Language and Region and tap on Edit. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose, so simply find yours and then tap on this plus icon and confirm it with yes, so your device will automatically change the language to the chosen one. If you've got more than one language added right here, all you have to do is to tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the first position. Then confirm the changes, and again your device will immediately change the language. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on Edit again, and here in this list you have to tap on this minus icon, and as you can see you've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.